how do you divide rewards points or the credit associated with use of credit card, frequent flyer miles, and those kind of rewards things in the context of a divorce? I think this is a very interesting and appropriate question, especially nowadays. It comes up more and more. My name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and today we're continuing our video series designed to educate and inform the public, so please subscribe to our channel. This comes up a lot, especially when we talk about rewards points. I've seen this come up in the context of casino credits, where somebody's a big gambler and they have that card, they put it in the machine, and that results in a lot of points, which could have a value. Delta Sky Miles or other frequent flyers, sometimes corporate cards give all these points, and people over the course of marriage accumulate 1 million points. Well, what do we do with them? Well, number one, they're going to be considered a marital asset, okay? So they are going to be subject to division. First and foremost, it may be appropriate to determine, do they have a cash value? If they have a cash value, that becomes easy because one person can just buy out the other one on the cash value. We have 100,000 points as a cash value of $5,000. Somebody can give somebody $2,500 and boom, we've just divided the points. So that's a great way to do it. And the buyout, frankly, is probably the most popular way these points are handled. You can also agree to use the points for a specific purpose. You can say, well, we're not going to split the points, but we will agree in the judgment of divorce that all our frequent flyer miles are going to be used to transport the kids back and forth. Or they're all going to be used for, hotel stays, only as it relates to the children. Both parties can agree to use them for a specific purpose, and that is a good way to divide them. You got to remember one thing. You're never going to be able to divide these points after the fact. You're never going to agree on how they should or should not be used. So therefore, the division of these points and how they're going to be treated has to be in the final judgment of divorce. You've got to include it. If you decide to deal with it later or not include it at all, you're never going to get agreement on it. So let's remember one thing. There are different ways to do it. It should be handled in the final judgment of divorce. And obviously, it's something for which guidance would be appropriate. If you have questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.
248-588-3333. 248